Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to add a collection to a page on Wix. This is useful when we want to display dynamic content like products, blog posts, or portfolios on our website. Let's get started. In Wix Studio, to add a collection, we click the Add Element button, the plus sign here. Then we scroll down to CMS. CMS is where we manage our collections in Wix. We start here. As we can see, it is adding CMS. And now, here is our collection added to the page. From here, we can edit the portfolio of our collections. We can use pre-made collections or customize them to fit our needs. We can also create custom team projects based on our preferences. And that's how we add a collection to a page on Wix. With this simple setup, we can display dynamic content and keep our website organized.